A lone hyena is surrounded, outnumbered by a pack of wild dogs. Hyenas hunt alone or in pairs, while wild dogs rely on teamwork to take down large prey. As competitors, both must feed their young. This hyena ventured out alone and walked into an ambush. Cornered and vulnerable, it retreats, dodging relentless attacks. Just in time, its clan arrives. The hyena escapes the immediate threat but doesn't flee. Instead, it charges toward a carcass. The wild dogs rush to block them, and chaos erupts in a fierce brawl. Amid the fighting, one hyena breaks through and grabs the food. A wild dog chases, but it's too late. The prize is gone, claimed by the hyenas in a brutal Cao Yuan standoff.